हेलो, नमस्कार। Now I am going to providing my thought regarding corona, that is COVID-19. Actually, T.H. Malthus has stated that if the individuals are not able to control their population, then nature will control it. The earth always trying to maintain its population according to its carrying capacity. It's not a new pandemic or brutal epidemic. In between 1347 and 1352 BCE, the plague was horrible in Europe and created about 25 to 35 million deaths. Now plague considered as Mahamari in textbook. And scientifically it was discovered in 1894. Similarly, smallpox was epidemic in 3rd BCE, discovered in 18th century, and responsible for death of 400,000 people in Europe. Accordingly, from western part of the world, and now today the new hero China, several such pathogenic organisms are distributed to the world like SARS, bird flu, swine flu, Nipah virus, new corona, that is COVID 19, and before it, as you heard, prion, mad cow disease, scientifically known as Creutzfeldt Jakob syndrome. These all were vital killers created by nature in different organisms, but the people of those area are always in concern with close relationship with those animals in different way. In nutshell, I am saying that history is very cruel and history repeat itself. These so-called developed nation, you may say bastards, were trying to produce bioweapon against humanity. First of all with the help of plague and later on with the help of Clostridium botulinum. But by any means, nature spreaded the only one COVID 19 and the earth is flat. In this case of COVID 19, actual socialism arrived on this earth. The whole earth, the globe is one, behaving like one, required only one, and in this way, the physical comfort and eager to earn the money get vanished. The Air Force One of President of USA is similar to passenger train of India because both are in garage. The Mercedes or any one other supercar is similar to cycle because both are present in garage. But some of the good things are also there, like all the people or almost all people are resting at home, feeding good fresh fruit, control their breath, their BP, their acidity, they control their cough, pith, and vayu, and so cases of OPD in hospital get highly reduced. The second beautiful thing is our policemen. They have donating their earned money with double duty. They help all the required persons. The individuals are thinking their personal hygiene, social distancing, keeping their good health, and stay home with real equivalence and cool. The atmosphere, rivers, and springs are almost pollution free. अगर इकोसिस्टम में all the insect larvae are killed, the humanity will be vanished in next 18 to 20 months. अगर all the insects are killed, the human population will be vanished in next 24 months. लेकिन अगर सारे ह्यूमन बीइंग को किल कर दिया जाए, the ecosystem will be flourish greatly in next 2 3 years. It means human is more and most dangerous. The population explosion is the main problem. And to occupy the natural resources from other nation, other territory is the nature of some of the countries and some of the people. As you know, United Nations has killed millions of people in Iraq, including Saddam Hussein, with the false allegation of bioweapons. And now today, probably 19th April, nature has killed 34,000 Americans in one slot. There is no place of crabs to dispose the dead body on the land of Mussolini and Hitler. So, scientifically, don't try to disturb the nature. Always follow the Indian lifestyle of survival, daily lifestyle, and culture. डॉक्टर्स क्या कहते हैं उनको बोलने दीजिए, बट द इंडियन डेली लाइफ इज द क्लाइमैक्स ऑफ साइंस. The Indian vegetarian diet and its preparation with component is the climax of science. Immunity is not a very little thing that has been created by some injection or tablet. It is the matter of soil, biomolecule, genetic component, upbringing, and daily diet throughout the life. So you should try to use natural resources on minimum basis, luxurious things on the minimum basis, and pray for the whole world, not for itself. एक महात्मा जी थे वाराणसी में, बहुत लोग जानते हैं उनको. वो हर महीने 14 डे तक योगा में रहते थे और अमावस्या और पूर्णिमा, फुल मून और नो मून के दिन अपनी योगा से निकलते थे, गंगा स्नान करते थे और करीब 5 to 10 kg कर्ड दही खाते थे. फिर अपना प्रवचन दिए, लोगों से मिले और फिर योगा में चले जाते थे. A retired Allahabad High Court justice tried to examine the साधु जी. तो उन्होंने उनके लोगों से कहा कि इस बार जो कर्ड है वो हम ले आएंगे. He put 4-8 kg of lime in a container and 1-2 kg curd cream over there. जब साधु जी उठे, उनको भूख लगी थी, नहाए धोए और सारा कर्ड along with लाइम खा गए. फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने प्रवचन देना शुरू किया. तब जज साहब जो सामने बैठे थे, उनके हार्ट, स्टोमक और लिवर में बर्निंग सेंसेशन होना शुरू हो, छटपटाने लगे. तब वो साधु जी के पास गए रोते रोते. साधु जी ने उन्हें गंगा जल पिलाया और कहा कि तुमने ही मिलाया था ना दही में कर्ड. उन्होंने बोला हाँ. फिर उन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा कि साधु जी, कर्ड तो आपने खाया, लाइम भी आपने खाया, जलन हमको क्यों हुई? कोविड-19 के अकॉर्डिंगली जो एक्सपीरियंस घर में बैठ के हुआ है, उस पर अभी जो साधु जी ने कहा वो बेस्ट पॉइंट है. उन्होंने कहा कि माई सोल इज कनेक्टेड टू अबाउट 6-7 बिलियन पीपल ऑफ द अर्थ. So my burning poison is distributed to all 6-7 billion. The effect of burning sensation is very low. But you are a nuclear individual. So the effect of lying is very high on your body. Globalization does not mean the business in all part of the globe. Globalization means सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया. सब सुखी रहे. आज अगर यूएसए सुखी नहीं है तो इंडिया सुखी नहीं है. आज अगर इंडिया हाइड्रोक्सी क्लोरोक्विन नहीं बना रहा है तो यूएसए सुखी नहीं है. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया. What is the remedies? The one tough remedy is, I'm asking about the globe, including United Nations and India. ये जो वायरोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का और यूएसए का, सबसे पहले इनको बंद कर दीजिए। 140 दिन हो चुके हैं and they have not any ability and direction towards the formation of vaccine. They are saying about I am successful in making the genetic decode. The decoding or DNA fingerprinting is the responsibility of computer today. It is 1 week formula. After 140 days टीवी में आ रहा है कि जेनेटिक कोड डिकोड कर लिया, जेनेटिक कोड डिकोड क्या कर लिया, किसको सुना रहे? तो इनको पहले सबको बर्खास्त कीजिए और जब ऐसी जरूरत हो दुनिया में तो नए टैलेंटेड लोगों के लिए वैकेंसी निकालिए, टारगेट दीजिए, वो उस टारगेट को समय से पहले पूरा कर देंगे। The second one is, as I have said, follow the Indian daily life pattern and culture, including all the कर्म कांड। पॉसिबल हो तो घर में एक दिया जलाइए घी का, burn camphor twice or thrice, burn the dry wood of mango and neem even in your street. The diet pattern should always be vegetarian, light and healthy. The doctors normally I have seen in television opposes the garlic is not functioning, turmeric is not functioning, ye wo falan. Who said that? Who said that? Where the research is? Garlic, black pepper, turmeric, ginger, these are very important for making the body internal strength, but in combination, and it must be present in regular diet. Only hot luke water can improve your physiology by 80%. But whenever they are trying to say that garlic has not any importance in killing the virus, who can kill the virus? Which doctor of the earth can kill the virus? Who can cure the disease after the infection of virus? We can only protect ourselves after vaccination, not cure the disease against any virus. Because viruses are connecting link between living and non-living. कोई ऐसी बीमारी बताइए जो डॉक्टर कहते हो कि वायरल डिजीज है और हम इस ड्रग से ठीक कर देंगे। बट प्रिकॉशन प्रिवेंशन इज देयर। द COVID-19 is a chain reaction like atomic reactor. Now this quarantine period is cadmium in between these neutron chain reaction which behave like a shock absorber. By this we can control the disease, not cure the disease. We cannot prevent the spread of disease forever. In Delhi अभी 1-2 महीने के बाद जब पॉल्यूशन बढ़ेगा तो वैसे ही सबको सर्दी खांसी जुकाम होगा। उसमें अगर कोविड का कॉम्बिनेशन है तो और प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा। सो द ओनली एंड ओनली क्योर इज vaccination. I am saying if the vaccination of BCG is 10% successful, like chlorohydroquinine, then try to use. If retrovir is functional, try to use. Today, a scientist from Ahmedabad concluded that the virus can change its protein code. Then try to use AJT, which can prevent the reverse transcriptase enzyme of the virus. If any 10% probabilities, some of the people at home are going to use hydrochloroquine, the government of India has prevented it. Why so? Because after taking the drug, the patient feel vomiting and some abdominal discomfort. These two are better than COVID-19. वो बाद में देख लेंगे, मरा तो नहीं ना, बच तो गया. So a flexibility must be there. Next, the massive vaccination of this COVID-19 within 6 months or 1 year is highly essential. Otherwise, it will kill several individuals in rainy season and in winter. According to Indian mythos, which is highly successful in booster dose, and all we stay at home. So, of any religion, any route, which one is comfortable, you can choose. Number one, for Hinduism, you can read Hanuman Chalisa daily basis. So indirectly it will make you clean mentally, physically and socially. You can burn the lamp of ghee, burn camphor twice or thrice per day. And a very successful, powerful mantra is there. You can chant like Mahamrityunjay mantra. I am trying. You can repeat. Om Triambakam Jayamahe Sugandim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamyo Bandhanat Mrityormukshiyamamrita. Jai Hind.